Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Florka, BAKERpedia's Baked in Science podcast host and baking instructor. Being classically trained as a pastry chef and confectioner, I picked up bread baking in Germany, where I originally completed my training. I was born in Canada, moved to Germany when I was young, grew up there, and did my apprenticeship there as well. In 1980, I moved back to Canada with an opportunity to work for a global restaurant chain opening their first North American location. I've been in this industry over 45 years. Roughly 20 of that was spent on the food service side of serving convention centers, wholesale volume production, resorts, hotels, and restaurants. During this time, I've also been an adjunct instructor at the Culinary Arts Institute at Richland Community College and George Brown College Chef School, as well as Clara Johnson's. I believe in giving back to the community where I have found success in an industry and career that has been fulfilling to me. I believe in sharing my knowledge and helping the next generation bridge this gap.
Well, hello, everyone. I am Gideon Butler-Smith, and I am a BAKERpedia influencer. I am a baking professional in the industry. I work at a large manufacturing facility here in Rogers, Arkansas, where I reside. I went to Kansas State University and have a degree in bakery science and management. And I have worked with Kroger in their facilities out in Utah and Denver. And I moved down here to Arkansas to marry my beautiful wife. And now I work as a project manager, and where I get to work with formulation of products, as well as continuous improvement type projects, as well as just day-to-day operations to help support production. I love being a BAKERpedia influencer, just with talking to baking industry professionals and also just sharing some of my experience and my knowledge and some of the continual studying that I've done, and helping share that with the world.
Hey, my name is Dr. Jane Bach, and I'm the technical director at the Wheat Marketing Center. The Wheat Marketing Center is a nonprofit located here in Portland, Oregon. And our mission is to bridge the research and communication gap between wheat producers here in the US and end users all around the world. My function within the organization is to provide the research and technical training that furthers our nonprofit's mission. I've taken a very circuitous path through different areas of cereal grains, starting with feeds, coming into food, focusing on high level and very fine-grained protein chemistry, getting into the whole wheat quality, flour quality arena, linking different areas of the market value chain, moving through the instrumentation industry, figuring out how do we assess this to the best degree possible. And now at my current role, talking to end users especially, and figuring out the right kind of processing conditions, the right kind of flour quality, and making sure that we're matching up the flour to the product. In my spare time, of which there is usually very little, I do spend quite a bit of time with my husband. I loved him so much that I left Canada to come back to the US for him. And so we spend a lot of time with our dog, enjoying the outdoors here in Portland. Education is one of my passions. I greatly enjoyed the University of because of the educational opportunities, the ability to share my knowledge with students and help them make connections between seemingly very disconnected pieces of information, utilizing that to make good decisions from scientific, but also from business standpoints.
Hello, I am Adeniji from I am from Osun State, Nigeria. I was born in Plateau State, but I currently live with my family in the Federal Capital Territory. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Microbiology from the prestigious University of Jos. My passion for baking started when I was about 10 years old. I assisted my mom to bake, who at that time had a cake business. And from there, I learned how to bake cakes. I really picked up some of my first baking lessons from her. So in my third year in university, I decided to team up with my older sister because I wanted to turn my passion for baking into a business. And we started Mystery Bite, a food business that provides quality, safe, and wholesome food products, particularly baked goods to individuals at an affordable rate. And we have run this business for over 3 years now. And I'm really excited to be a part of the BAKERin program as the Baker influencer. I have a diploma in human nutrition in a bid to understand how food plays a vital role in human development and also see how the human body responds to food so that I can push for more nutritious food consumption. I work part-time as a quality control analyst. I consult for a food production industry, and this has given me the opportunity to understand food production in a larger scale, experience some of the laws and guidelines that guide food production in my country. When I'm not baking or having to do anything with food production, I love to read, travel, visit new places, and also watch soccer, although I don't play, and spend time with my family. Recently, I had the opportunity to attend an advanced class in cake decorating. This has further improved my skills and given me the opportunity to interact with more bakers. I am really looking forward to sharing, researching, and also contributing vital information to the baking industry.
Hi, my name is Sophia Pai. Currently, I work for Tate & Lyle as Vice President of North America Application and Tech Service Group. What I do every day is to apply ingredient science to help resolve challenging issues in the food industries. I'm a food and bakery science professional and one of the luckiest persons in the world that my passion and my job are together. For example, I enjoy a good pastry at the corner of my house, and that delicious scone will make my days, and always wonder, how do they make it so great? When I travel to a city, I cannot help to always try out local cuisines and their bakery. I believe some of you like that as well. I have 20 years industrial experience. I born in Taiwan and came to US for my PhDs. After I received my degrees from Kansas State Grand Science Department, emphasis baking science, I decided to practice my academic knowledge in the real world. I have very wide range of working experience in R&D, from small bakery to large CPG company like Kraft Food. And I'm very fortunate to join largest retailer, Walmart, in their private brands sectors before I joined Tate & Lyle. Those experiences enable me to know lots of people and understand their common issue when developing products. I especially passionate in baking. I know baking is a combination of art and science. I love to be one of the influencers to help exchange ideas and spark the innovative mindset. I'm excited for this influencer role and looking forward to see you all in the future.
Hello, bakers. My name is Jose Lopez, and I'm your newest BAKERpedia influencer. I'm currently the VP of Tech Sales Support for AB Mauri North America. I've been in this wonderful industry of ours for over 30 years. My specialties are high-speed, bread, bun, and English muffin productions. I am a graduate of AIB, Class 151, but I've worked my way up from the bottom of the plant to the corporate levels. I have assisted in 5 countries and 44 states. I am fluent in Spanish. Hola amigos, aquí estoy para ayudar si tienen preguntas. On my spare time, I like to play golf, fish, and hike. I was even blessed enough to hike all the way to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with some really good friends of mine. I've been married to the lovely wife of mine for 34 years. I have 2 wonderful children, and guess what? I am now a grandpa. I look forward to just sitting and just chatting with you about our wonderful industry. You know, my knowledge, what we've done, what I've seen, what I've done. Let's talk about it. So look me up and let's talk shop. Have a nice day.